Hello, this is two sets of 1 square meter stainless steel wiped molecular distillation. It's ready for shipment for one of our customers. This one, we take a look at of this one. Here is a big feeding tank. It's made of jacketed layer, and inside here there is a filter inside this tank to filter the material before charging. And there are two observation mirrors. You can see the raw material here. And after this stainless steel tank, there will be a high precision gear pumps which will control the charging flow stable and continuously. From here, the material will be pumped here to the main evaporator. This evaporator is very large. You can see there are two steps. And inside this, there's an inside evaporator and the cold trap. After heating, the material will be separated to be two substances. One is light phase and the other is the heavy phase. The heavy phase will flow down here by this high gear pumps for automatic discharging, and the light phase will discharge here by the high precision gear pumps, and the ultra light phase will be evaporated to this cold trap, and this cold trap will equipped with chiller to cool down the ultra phase substance and collect here. And here is another cold trap. This cold trap can be connected by one chiller. This one can connect to the ultralight phase, and also this one can protect our molecular pump systems here. And the last one is the control cabinet. This cabinet can control the 3 gear pumps and the motor. This one is the charging gear pumps. This is light phase gear pump, and this is heavy phase gear pump. This for the motor, the evaporator motor, the upper one. And this is the power. You can switch power on or power off here.